Okay, we are back on this project. The goal is that the board starts without anything in here, just like the walls, and you can see everything is gray. And then what you can do is pick a color, pick one of the colors that will be over here, and then you can put it wherever you want in the board. It will show you where you can put it, and hopefully that will work out well. And then after we set the board however we want, we have a button that we can press solve, and the algorithm tries to solve it. And yeah, so there's a lot of stuff I want to do, and hopefully it goes well. So that's what we're gonna start off. First, make everything normal. Alright, so what we're doing here basically is, as I said, clearing the board, making it all have no colors, and now what I'm trying to do is that you can click every single part of the board, of the inside board. It currently does nothing, but we will need this later, so I'm just making sure that is set up properly. Alright, here what I'm trying to do is basically put all the cars that there is in the game on the side of the screen, so you'll be able to click it and then place it on the board wherever you want. So it involves a lot of math and calculations, as you can see that I'm doing. But yeah, just trying to dynamically put all the cars on the screen. Alright, we're gonna check now if what I did worked. Basically, this is, I don't know if you saw it, you probably did in the time lapse, but I did a lot of calculations, and hopefully I get something that's similar to what I see here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, you know what? This ain't that bad. This just means that I totally underestimated how big the board is. Um, oh, I forgot to increase colors, so I know that. But our pieces, also wait, they're not good, and they're not in the right place. They need to be together, these on the top here. It's like they're all separated, so actually it's not good here, but alright, I'll fix that. Here, obviously, I'm trying to fix the problems that I had. It was really small, so making them bigger, removing the space there is in between some of the cars there, and also played around with a lot of the colors because I didn't like actually the colors that I picked out, so I played around with the colors until I found something that I liked. Alright, we finally finished picking our colors. This is the final result. I like it. We got our white, traditional red, and then we have two different types of like greens here. One's very light, one's darker, and then there's the lime, obviously. We have orange and yellow that I haven't said. We have three different types of blue. So one very dark blue. This is a lightly blue, like aqua, and this is a more darker but nice. I like this blue called steel blue. I found this purple. It's like dark violet or something. I think this is hot, no, something pink, maybe dark pink or something. This is magenta. We got maroon, saddle brown, and black. So good colors. Now we want to work is on this. Is that if we click on on any of these, right? I want to be able to like put it on the board now. What I'm trying to do now is basically that if you click on one of the cars, let's say I click on the white car, then my program will understand that I clicked on the white car, its length is 2, and currently its default setting is horizontal, it's horizontal and vertical. But yeah, so once you click on a car, my program will know what car you clicked and how much length does it have. Alright, so we added this little label, click on the card to enter the board. We've added the functionality, like kind of. Let's open up the output so we can actually see it. Alright, so basically, if I will now click, like, let's say the white one, Nothing's happening. Oh man, I thought I fixed. I thought it was ready. Is it really just because I missed right line? Don't tell me it's that. Oh, I'm so stupid. All right. So as you can see, if I press white, you can see 2 2 true. It's because white is the 2. Its length is 2, and red would be 3 and 2. Because its color is 3. If I go yellow, it would be 15. That's the color, and 3. If I click the same color again, it would go back. Oh, what? Oh, I'm doing color to string instead of car color to string. I am just super dumb today. Alright, for the final time. Now, I have 2, and then it says 0 exactly. Okay, good. That means it works. The next part is to be able to show that we can actually place the pieces on the board. This one's gonna be pretty tricky. It's gonna be hard. I don't know, but yeah, we'll try. So basically what I'm adding now is the hardest part in this video specifically, but basically every time you click on a car, so when I hover your mouse over the board, it will show, okay, you're putting the car here. It's like it's telling you, are you sure you want to put the car here, you know, like before you click. So this part does take a lot of math involved with numbers and calculations with like the length of the car, where you're putting your mouse on, leaving a square, entering a square with your mouse. Like it's very it's complicated, or the way I did it, I don't know. This is 7 months ago we're talking about, so I was really stupid back then. Alright, let's see if this worked. I doubt it did, but basically what happens now is every time I'm going through these things, it's checking if I have a thing equipped. So I'm gonna click on orange, as you and it's not doing anything because, oh my, look at that. Okay, and look, I can't put in this row because this is the row for the white, and I can't put it here. Now the last thing, only I have to do is focus on rotating it. But this is really nice. Now nothing happens when I click, but that still happens, and then I can just go and I can change it, and now it's a purple. And if I go to the white one, I can also place it here, but I can't place it anywhere else because the white has to be here. Oh my god, I can't believe it actually worked. I am very happy about that. Alright, so before I want to work on actually placing them, I want to work on that. If I click R on my keyboard, I rotate it to vertical position. So that's what we're going to do now. Here, as I said, what we're trying to do is that when we're clicking a car, if you click R on the keyboard, it will flip it from horizontal to vertical and vice versa. Alright, so this is what we got now. So let's try this again. If we have orange and then we click R, it will now be vertical. And now if you stay on it, it won't switch exactly. You have to actually leave and move, but that's fine. I'm not too concerned about that. But let me check that the horizontal is working correctly. You can't go too much. I can really go wherever I want, really. And same this, and oh, what's important is I can't do it with white. I can't do it if it's white, but everything else is fine. And if I do it, now I can put it on that row. Yeah, okay, good. So let me just make sure that I can't do it with white. Oh wait, let me also check one last thing. If I hold it for a long time, it's fine. Okay, you know what, it's fine. So just, and if car color is not equal to, what is it? R. By the way, when we click, it's always going to be horizontal. And I want my white. Sorry. There we go. And then I press R. I can't. Alright, that's really good. The last step is to be able to click whenever you want when this is happening, and then the car will remain there, and that's the car, and you add it into everything, you know, and do all that. That will be also for a later time. We've been recording for 2 hours 17 minutes, but I did some very nice progress, as you can see, with all the cars here, a little bit of instructions, and of course the most impressive thing, which is it's knowing where you want to press. But I will do the actual pressing and adding later, which I think it will actually be even easier than what we did today. Today was very difficult in my opinion, but yeah, thank you, and we'll continue later. Peace.